Good morning, Dula Goodell here with Elite Weather, and we're going to talk about the weather that's going on across America today, and we're going to look at some severe weather down in the southern United States. As we take a look at our first map here, we see this huge storm that's really taking up the entire eastern half of the nation. We're seeing that rain and snow across the north, and we're also going to see some severe weather down here in parts of Georgia, as well as north central Florida is going to see a little bit of severe weather across the Florida panhandle. But that severe weather is also going to move into the Carolinas as well. We can see some of that severe weather, and that could comprise of some tornadoes, some large hail, and damaging winds from some of these severe thunderstorms. And that wet precipitation extends all the way up into the Great Lakes, and we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms through these regions as well. But we'll also see a little bit of the cold weather, and Arctic air starts to get drawn in behind this storm as we start to see some rain and snow mix in for you folks in the upper Midwest, in the northern plains areas of Minnesota and Wisconsin. As we look out toward the west, not much happening today. Maybe a little bit of wet weather across Seattle and maybe Portland, but otherwise the west is mainly dry. As we look at our severe weather forecast, we see that severe weather outlook for the southeast, for the Carolinas, as well as Georgia and North Florida, and also an area of severe weather for the Ohio Valley. And here's our temperature map for for your Wednesday, and we're going to see that warmer weather on the east as that storm is making its way toward the east and pulling up that warm air off of the Gulf of Mexico. We're going to see those 70s and 80s down across Florida. We'll see the 70s and 60s across the more northern section, and we might even see some 70s here in the Ohio Valley, but you do have that risk of severe weather in this region as well for your Wednesday. As we look out west, it's going to be warm in the southwest as usual. You'll see Southern California with those 70s and 80s, as well as those winds out in the northeast. Those Santa Anas will be blowing, so that fire risk exists out in the southwest. We'll also see that warm weather extend back into Arizona, southern Arizona, Tucson, Phoenix. Could see those 80s as that desert heat is just starting to build in. You're really starting to see that heat build in April. The upper Midwest, we're seeing that cold air on the backside of that low pressure center that's across right here in the Ohio Valley. We'll see that system moving through, and we'll see that cold air as those 30s work back into your forecast. That is a look at the national weather. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.